Yo, yo, what's going on, champions? It's Marquise Money Mike Williams. I just want to shoot a quick video because have you ever just wanted to create that fire social media post and it actually prevents you from posting because you're trying to figure out what to post all day? I don't know about you, but that's me a lot of times. If you're a content creator or you're just somebody attempting to build a business or you just want to kind of be in the end and be a part of that world of social media. Well, I found a tool that utilizes AI that helps you get over that writer's block, that helps you figure out what to post, whether you wanted to write it for you or just kind of give you that extra push to figure out what direction you want to go in. All you have to do is train it a little bit, kind of give it a little bit of information about who you are, what you got going on, what arena you're in, whether you're a home-based business owner, whether you like anime, whether you like sewing quilts, whatever it is that you do, that you love and you're passionate about, that you want to post about, it will take that information, it will formulate posts for you that will help you start building up content and building your following on social media. So when you come into the tool, right, it's called Lev AI, right? You just click craft a social media post. And it comes right in here. You click surprise me, and boom, it takes my personal information that I programmed it with, and it says, look, who's ready to level up their wealth game? I'm all about creating that financial freedom and living life on my own terms. It's not just about money, it's about the legacy we leave. What's your big dream you're working towards? Share in the comments. Let's inspire others. Not only does it create and craft a good post, but it also creates a call to action to create engagement on your post, which is going to build and further you along in the Facebook and social media algorithm. You guys, this is phenomenal. And what's cool is if you don't like it, say, there's certain words like you don't want to inspire people. Maybe you could just come in here and just change the world. I want to motivate people instead. Each other. Whatever the case may be, you want to change up your hashtags, which fits your vision. It's connected with Plexus for what do they call it? Royalty-free images. So you can come in here and say, I want to change the image, and it gives you a host of different images that you can use. Crazy old guy with some money, he's holding it down. Whatever the case may be, or you can say, I want to use my own image. Whatever the case may be, if you've been searching for a tool to help you post on social media, to help you grow your business, or just create further engagement when it comes to personal engagement, this is a phenomenal tool that you could use. Whether it's personal posts or business posts, this is something that's going to help you take your social media game to the next level. Always remember, you're the best investment that you got. You're born to win. So play to win right now because each and every one of you are already a champion. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.